Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best tablet holder for car on Amazon. A tablet holder, an important device for watching movies, playing video games, and more for parents just needing to go on a grocery run. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Macely Car Headrest Mount Holder. If you need to entertain young backseat passengers, check out the Macely Car Headrest Mount Holder, as this tablet holder has been tested by kids and approved by parents, meaning you'll rest easy on long drives, knowing your children are entertained. It fits most headrest posts, can cradle and securely hold tablets up to 10 inches in size, and keeps any tablet, and even most mobile phones, stable even with a case in place. You may, however, notice that the tablet or smartphone can dip and bounce when moving over undulating terrain, as the long extension bar can make it somewhat unstable. That's furthered when the tablet is heavier than smaller tablets, though this doesn't happen as much when the bar isn't as extended. What we like about it: fits most headrest posts. Stable. Easy to install. What we don't like about it: tablet may bounce if the bar is fully extended. May be too large for certain devices. Number 2. Trion Tablet Headrest Holder. The affordable price, no skip stability, and ease of use all make the Trion Tablet Headrest Holder the best tablet holder for its price. With a budget-friendly price, this tablet holder is ideal for almost any car. It can be installed with one hand in just 2 seconds. It fits onto most headrests, giving backseat passengers the perfect point of view for any kind of entertainment. It's compatible with any tablets, smartphones, and even Nintendo Switch devices that are up to 10.5 inches in size. Unfortunately, this tablet holder doesn't extend outward and can make it awkward to view in some larger vehicles where you sit farther away from the seat in front of you. You'll also want to make sure it's compatible with the distance of your headrest bars. It needs to be able to fit between them to install it. What we like about it: affordable. Easy installation. Multi-angle rotation. What we don't like about it: doesn't extend outward. May pop off if you try to interact with the device. Number 3. TFY Universal Car Headrest Mount. Drivers who need to entertain backseat passengers will love the TFY Universal Car Headrest Mount. Compatible with both smartphones and tablets up to 10.5 inches, this tablet holder uses a silicone holding net to secure your devices to a car headrest. You can adjust the angle of the screen for comfort, and the stretchy net won't scratch or damage your phone or tablet. It's also case compatible, which means you're able to easily use this mounting gadget with a case that's already on your tablet. One drawback of this holder is that it uses a silicone net to hold your tablet. This makes it less durable than other holders. However, it also makes it safer because it eliminates the need for protruding hard plastic pieces or brackets. What we like about it: screen angle is adjustable. Compatible with cases. Stretchy net won't scratch your device. What we don't like about it: not as durable as some other options. Does not fit some headrests. Number 4. Arken Car Truck Seat Trailer Floor Tablet Mount. Know that your tablet holder isn't going anywhere when you permanently install it, and this holder from Arken has a 22-inch arm that extends from the seat rail upward. You can then adjust the gooseneck to angle your tablet into the perfect position. This makes it ideal for trucks and fleet vehicles that need the tablet for commercial use, and the secure grip holds the tablet on the top and bottom to accommodate tablets that are 7 to 18.4 inches in size. What we like about it: angles to various positions. Holds larger devices. Good for off-roading. What we don't like about it: installation is a bit labor-intensive. Screws can loosen. May sway a bit. Number 5. Hickig Car Headrest Mount Holder. This easy-to-use tablet holder from Hickig will securely hold your tablet to the back of your front headrest. It has a single strap that wraps completely around the headrest that's made of elasticated Velcro. What we like about it: adjustable. Securely holds devices in place. High-quality construction. What we don't like about it: can be a hassle to adjust it snugly enough. May fall down if you hit a big bump. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.